It's time to move out to Evanston, but before you get to that closing, let's look at some things you may need to know. Come on in and have a seat. I'm Ben Weaver, Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home in Chicago and its suburbs. With me as always is Adam, who's looking to buy a house and totally understands what everyone's going through.
Yeah, I'm going through it myself. Everyone's stressing. I'm with you, we're with you, but we're going to help you make sure you get your house bought and sold, whatever you guys need.
Exactly. It's stressful, we know firsthand, but we can definitely use that experience to help you out. And today we'll talk about what you need to know to sell a house in Evanston. But what is Evanston? Well, the simplest thing to say is that it's a college town, the home of Northwestern. But instead of just focusing on the university, what are some fun nicknames for Evanston? At one time or another, it was known as the City of Churches, my favorite, Evanston, the City of Homes, and thanks to its close proximity to Skokie, some have called it Skevinston. All right, there you go. The city is about a half-hour away from the heart of downtown Chicago and sits comfortably right along Lake Michigan with a population of nearly 75,000 residents. All right, let's move on to the per 1,000 tax, and you're going to want to be sitting down for this one. We're used to seeing flat tax rates, something like 1 per 1,000, 3 per 1,000, but Evanston has a gradual tax rate that'll differ if you meet some purchase price benchmarks. So, if your house sells for less than $1.5 million, you'll be on the hook for a 5 per 1,000 tax. That means for every $1,000 your house sells for, you would owe the city $5. But what about selling your house above that 1.5 million mark? Well, if your house sells for more than that, but up to $5 million, you owe a 7 per 1,000 tax. And should your house sell for more than $5 million, you would owe a 9 per 1,000 tax. We have a graphic going over my shoulder to hopefully help you track this, but if you get confused, if you end up having any questions, just give us a call and we can help you out with it. The next thing we want to take a look at is the transfer tax form. Now that can be filled out at any time in the process up to 1 week before closing. We recommend filling that out as soon as possible, however. It's one thing that we can take off your plate early so it's not sneaking up on you and surprising you at the last second. Thankfully, we got ahead of the game on the transfer tax because just 2 days before closing, the water bill will be available. When that's ready, it's time to get going, as we can call the city, organize a payment, and get going on finalizing that transaction. Don't forget, with any transaction that you retain 23 Legal for, we can help get the tax forms ready and filled out for you, so you're not sitting on complicated paperwork with deadlines approaching. So that's the nuts and the bolts of selling in Evanston. The big takeaway is that sliding tax base on the sales price. Do not get caught off guard after getting a multi-million-dollar home under contract and know how much that tax you'll be paying ahead of time. When's the last time you sold a home? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to share this video with any realtors or potential sellers you know in the Evanston area, and subscribe to 23 Legal for more real estate law content. I'm Ben Weaver, I'll be taking new contracts to clients, and I'll see you in the next video.